Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how can you unhide your apps on iPad. So if you guys hide your app and not being able to unhide the app, how can you do that? So it happens with me also. So if you guys hide your app, your hidden app will be in this folder, this hidden folder. So you may not be able to notice this folder because this is completely empty, looks like empty. So it is written here like hidden folder. So you just need to tap on it and verify guys the touch ID, and your guys the hidden app will be shown here. Now you can open your the hidden app from here. This is how you can guys hide if you want to now, since it is now if you want to unhide your application, you just need to hold your application, and here you will see this option. Can you see this option? This don't require touch ID. Just tap on it. Let me again hold it. Don't require the touch ID, and again verify, and your app will be unhide completely. It won't be now hide in this hidden folder. So this is how you can do it guys. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.